back with a new video, and in this video we are going to review the Mortein liquid. This is the Mortein vaporizer liquid and it says 25% extra. This is the offer which is currently on the Mortein Insta Tulsi vaporizer liquid. So this is a mosquito repellent refill from Mortein. Mortein is a popular mosquito repellent brand in India and has many products in this range of mosquito repellent. And this is a mosquito repellent refill for the Mortein machines available. And this is the Insta Tulsi powered machine liquid which is available right now. Did you know, and they are given some fun facts here, did you know you can contact dengue within seconds? For 100% faster protection, always use a Mortein Insta. That's what they are saying. So it provides 100% faster dengue protection. This is the Insta Tulsi, product name is Insta Tulsi. Right here is the Mortein branding right on top. Here it is shown that it is this liquid refill can be used with all types of Mortein machines available in the market. This is the Insta Tulsi refill. Now coming to the price of the product, this is priced at ₹72 and the shelf life of the product is 2 years from manufacturing. And this is a 45 ml bottle, so the bottle is contained, the net volume is 45 ml. So yeah, that's all the information available. Let's go ahead and unbox the product. And inside this we get a 45 ml bottle here, on which again we have the Mortein branding right here, the Insta Tulsi branding here. Again the label saying 100% faster protection written here. And then the ingredients are mentioned about what is present inside this. So one important fact here, no natural Tulsi is present in the product. Okay, then why is it Tulsi? Some chemical used in the name of Tulsi basically. The MRP is ₹72. What else do we have in the box? We have another paper here which talks about the instructions and the active ingredients of this. So here's the paper that comes with it. I think that is it. I don't think there's anything else in there. So yeah, that is it. So that's all that we get in the box. So we have the box here. Inside the box we got a bottle of the refill and this instruction paper along with it. So I've been using good night till now, and I'm going to try the Mortein Insta Tulsi to see how effective it is, because from the reviews that I read on the internet it seems to be very effective. Hence I have purchased it and I'm going to go ahead and try it tonight to use the Mortein Insta Tulsi. So guys, I used the Mortein Insta Tulsi refill yesterday at night and it is amazing. I would say it has a very nice fragrance. First of all, it doesn't smell like the other liquid vaporizer smell. It has a very nice fragrance, and when it comes to the effectiveness, like compared to general days when there are mosquitoes in the room and I'm using some other brand of vaporizer liquid, I think this provided a better protection and for a longer time, and which is good about it. And the best part is this machine fits in, this refill fits in any type of machine, so which was good. Like I used it in this Goodnight Power Active machine, so I used it on the high power mode, that's why. And I felt that this liquid was more effective than the Goodnight liquid. So yeah, this is a good liquid from Mortein. It smells well, it provides a good protection against mosquitoes compared to other liquid. The coverage area is much more, I feel. So these are the advantages of this, and it fits into any machine that you have. You don't need to purchase a separate machine from Mortein only to fit this in. This fits in any type of machine. So that is the advantage of the Mortein Insta Tulsi. And yeah, it's very effective, definitely effective, because I tried it myself and I found it to be effective. So I would definitely recommend the Mortein Insta Tulsi refill for mosquito protection. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.